Hello, my name is Joe Bushnell. I work for Enable Technologies and we're a Monday.com partner. I'm going to talk about permissions and what type of security permissions you can have on Monday.com and the boards, and how, in a certain situation, you may be able to invite guests in to manage those permissions so they can only see certain pulses, etc., but also your users be able to see an overall picture of all of the boards. So obviously, the security features that are already in Monday.com are in the boards themselves. So if you click on the three lines underneath each other on the top right, you can see that we have board permissions where we've got three different factors. Everyone can change, everyone can edit content, owners can change structure, or only owners can change. So these are the normal three that we can have on security. However, using the tags feature, we can actually take it one step further. So we can invite guests into certain boards. So we've got supplier one, supplier two, supplier three. So each of these boards would have tasks against these suppliers. So I can invite those suppliers into guests on my board. If I add a column and I add a tag on each of the boards, and I'm just going to quickly do this so you can see it in progress. We can then create a tag. And that tag could be view, that could be overview, that could be whatever you want it to be called. But if you then assign that tag to obviously each of those pulses inside the boards against suppliers, as you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm now in supplier 2, I'm now in supplier 3. So the suppliers would go in, they would update their notes in the normal manner, they would update their contents, and they would obviously update their statuses, whatever you're doing on them boards. However, normally what you do is you're trying to look at an overview of all the boards of what's happened. So if you click on the tag themselves up here, it then opens up the crossboard. So it then looks at all of the tags that relate overview across all of the boards. So we can then see there's supplier 3, supplier 2, and supplier 1. And we can see everything, what's going on against this tag across all the boards. So we can get, obviously the suppliers themselves are coming into the separate boards, but you as the end users can then see a little bit further. You can also update the details, and we can update details across boards as well, not just on the board we're working on. And you can see it's a very easy way of managing an overview across multiple boards, but also by keeping permissions to the people who have access to those boards. This was a very short meeting just to show you an overview of how you may be able to push the permissions of Monday.com. If you'd like more details, our website is www.enable.services. Thank you.